Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to design the magazine cover according to one of your suggestions, and if any one of you wanted some specific tutorial, then make sure you leave a comment in the comment section and I will try my best to make it as soon as possible. So let's start with this one. So the magazine covers can be fully illustrative, and it can also use some picture in the background, and I'm going to use a picture and I have already found it. You can also find the picture of your domain from unsplash.com or from freepix, etc. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some effects to my picture before I use it because I want my text to be prominent. So let's open Photoshop and do a little editing. So I have used the dummy data, a self-made barcode, and you can do it according to your specifications. And the most important thing in magazine cover design is the alignment, and if you don't know how to align properly, then make sure you watch this video, which I'm going to put in the top right corner, and I'm also gonna put its link in the description, so you need to check that out. So I forgot to turn on the screen recorder for this step, so I'm gonna repeat only one step, which I think is the most technical one, and that is to write in the circle. So I think I have to do it again. So let's see how we can do it. If you liked the video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well, and share it with as many people as you can. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.